name is Rachel, and we are in the beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, Stoney River Steakhouse and Grill location, and we are going to be making the Lady Duchess cocktail for you here so that you can make this at home and enjoy. We will also be featuring this cocktail for the entire month of February in all of our restaurants. First, we're going to take our champagne glass and we're going to add a sugar cube. The sugar cube will dissolve as you enjoy the cocktail, so it makes it even more delicious than you can imagine. Now we're going to add Chambord, which is a raspberry liqueur. And we're going to blend that with a honey syrup. Honey syrup is super easy to make at home. It's 2 parts honey, 1 part hot water. And now the best part, we're gonna add our Prosecco. We are using a Prosecco from Italy called La Marca, but any sort of sparkling wine, champagne, or Prosecco that you have at home would work as well. Remember to pour slow, you're not in a rush. You also don't want the bubbles to overflow in the cocktail. And there you have the Lady Duchess. Enjoy. To learn how to make the Lady Duchess at home or any other food and cocktail recipes that are coming your way, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we've got tons of awesome stuff coming.